In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, to whom we all have to turn back. Honorable listeners and respectable audience, you know that we have commenced a series of linguistics. In linguistics, we started the chapter that is known as pragmatics, which is the study of the sentence or the study of language use in context. Listeners and audience, if you remember, day before yesterday I told you about context. That context refers to a situation where a thing or something happens. And then I told you about linguistic context. That what is linguistic context? Linguistic context is also known as context. Today I'm going to tell you another type of context, and that is physical context. What is physical context? What is the importance of physical context, and what are practical examples of physical context? Be with me and listen to this lecture from beginning till end. If you are new for my channel, you are requested to like and subscribe as well. Listeners and audience, physical context refers to a situation in which something happens. But physical context is different from another context which we already told, and that was about linguistic context. Physical context refers to the actual setting where a communication takes place. It refers to the actual settings where a speech takes place. In other words, physical context means that the location of a word which is used, the location of a given word, the timing, and also the situation where a word is used. I'm repeating. Physical context actually means the actual settings where a speech takes place. The actual settings where a conversation or even a writing takes place. And physical setting also includes the location of a word, also the timing, and the situation where a word is used. Listeners and audience, for example, you are presenting a speech. Now, there are different aspects which are included in your speech. For example, the timing. What is the time when you are presenting the speech? The place where you are presenting the speech. What is the place? For example, you are presenting the speech in a room. So that is your location. And even it also includes the weather. Now, there are some examples. I'm just presenting one example and it will clear your concept about physical context, that what actually physical context means. For example, slow down, pupils, or crossing the road. Listeners and audience, see this example. Slow down, pupils, or crossing the road. Now see this word, pupils. You know, the word pupils have two meanings. One refers to the part in human eye and another refers to the students. But here the question is, there is no other word has been given as we talk about in linguistic context, that in linguistic context we have other words or a set of words which surrounds in the same phrase or in the sentence that we can determine the meaning. But here in this example you can't see that context. So what would be the importance of physical context? Listeners and audience, here physical context tells us about the location. the timing, and even the weather and other aspects. So when you are going, for example, you are walking somewhere and you saw a sign, and that sign was written for, there were some words were written on that sign or on that board, and what was for example, in that sign there were written these words: slow down, pupils are crossing the road. So now when you saw the sentence like pupils are crossing the road, here pupils, you mean that this sign is talking about the students, that they are crossing the road. Now the question, how did you know that? Answer: because you saw a huge building and that was the school, and you thought that in the school there are children, there are students, and they are crossing the road. So this is the example of physical context.